How can Curve Electric address its five challenges to promote greener urban mobility? Launched in the year 2023, this brand has made significant progress in just 1.5 years. The pilot programs in Srinagar and Gandharbal successfully prevented 145 metric tons of carbon emissions, the equivalent of planting 7,200 trees, with plans to expand to 10 Himalayan cities, including Shimla, Dehradun, and Manali, and 20 university campuses. The company aims to revolutionize the eco-friendly transportation system in India. Childhood friends Zubair Ahmad Bhatt and Sheikh Yami founded Curve Electric, Jammu and Kashmir's first public e-bike sharing system. They entered Shark Tank India Season 4, intending to secure 50 lakh rupees for 5% equity, valuing the company at rupees 10 crores. Unfortunately, despite their promising concept, they left the show without a deal. Their journey sheds light on the growing pollution problem in major Indian cities caused by vehicle emissions and the need for sustainable urban mobility solutions. In the year 2022, after the pandemic lockdowns were lifted, Jammu and Kashmir witnessed a massive influx of tourists. However, the town struggled to handle the increased crowds and the air quality took a. Over coffee with friends, Zubair and Yamin reflected on how the once clear skies and the scenic valley views were now obscured by smog. Shocked to learn their town ranked among the top 10 worst air quality index AQI levels globally, they felt compelled to act. Their mantra became, "Let our paradise be your paradise." Curve Electric operates 150 GPS-enabled e-bikes with premium designs tailored for the region's unique terrain. They've established 11 docking stations in Srinagar and 4 in Gandharbal, spaced 5 kilometers apart. Riders can rent a bike without an app or deposit, using ID proof to pay after the ride. Bikes are recharged in a temperature-controlled warehouse in Srinagar to extend battery life. The rental prices are Rs 1.5 per minute or Rs 90 per hour. The fleet size is 150 bikes and the total rides completed are 55,000. Their financials look something like this. Despite their achievements, Curve Electric faces significant challenges that could hinder its growth. Let's explore the potential red flags and their solutions. First, revenue per bike is low. Each bike earns just Rs 4,000 per month, far below its potential of Rs 26,000 if used fully for only 8 hours per day. High maintenance costs for underutilized bikes reduce profitability. The solution is to optimize existing bike usage by optimizing fleet size and focusing on maximizing demand in the current location. This will cut maintenance costs and improve revenue per bike. Second, focus on the wrong market. Their emphasis on university campuses limits them to a niche and, very importantly, a low budget market. They miss out on high demand, high revenue tourist hubs like airports, hotels, and tourist attractions. Solution is to shift focus to tourist hotspots where customers have higher spending capacity. Establish docking stations at key locations like airports, luxury hotels, and major tourist sites. Third, risky expansion plans. Expanding to 10 cities without optimizing operations in the current locations could overstretch resources. The solution is to give importance to fine-tuning operations in Srinagar and Gandharbal. Once the model is perfected and that profitability is consistent, after that they should consider expanding. Fourth, no online booking system. The lack of online booking limits the customer convenience, especially for tourists. The solution is to introduce an online platform for pre-booking e-bikes, reducing the unavailability and enhancing user experience. Fifth, weak financials and market share. With annual revenue of Rs 25 lakhs, they hold just 5% of the 5 crore rupees market. Ideally, they should earn Rs 1.15 crore to reflect 25% market share based on the number of bikes that they have. Solution: focus on increasing demand in high revenue areas to capture a larger market share. Adjust pricing or offer premium services to boost revenue. Curve Electric's innovative approach and eco-conscious mission offer immense potential. However, addressing operational inefficiencies, optimizing the current fleet, and targeting the right market are crucial for sustainable growth. Will Curve India catalyze a greener India and redefine urban mobility? What do you think?